Okay, we are back. Okay, let's see if we can continue with this mech enemy. So I made the turret follow me. It's just that it's offsetted, like looking at that side, but it's following me pretty nicely. Besides that rotation. Kinda. The funny thing here is that if I change this number, it really doesn't do much. Let's try to change it to bone space of the parent to see if we can get the same orientation from the parent bone and see if it follows that. Keeps giving me that rotation for some reason. Not sure why that is. I tried component, parent, bone space, and I keep getting the same rotation. Ah, okay, wait. Maybe if we get the C value as well from here, that might make more sense. Now they're gonna share the same value. That kind of makes sense. Okay, kind of. It worked for a second. Then it went back. That's very strange. Not sure what's happening there. What if we change it to component space? Maybe we'll do something different. No. It is following me. That's very cool, but I want it to be looking forward. Okay, just gonna give it a couple tries and then we continue with something else. Let me check this out. Okay. It's a little twisted. Does it follow me? Oh, it's just adding to the animation. Yeah, not really. Okay. Not exactly what I want, but getting closer. It needs to replace existing. The funny thing here is that for some reason it doesn't let me modify the bone here. This doesn't really do much. If I change any value here, let's try something like 60. It's not really letting me do much. It is following me, which is super cool, but it's just twisting itself. I have no clue why that is happening. So this value here, it does not modify the bone. Okay, well, kind of hard to know why is that. In the preview looks fine, because this is not gonna show me bone manipulation. Okay, yeah, there's something there that is breaking this thing. Really have no clue. This one is follow me, but it's playing the up and down animation, which I don't want to play on that bone. So okay, let's see if we can figure out the IK skeleton. This is the cube. Okay. Okay, here's the IK. So it has a body solver. I don't see any chains here. This is as simple as it can get. We need a body mover and full body IK. Okay. Let's see if we can replicate this thing. Here. Let's make it here and here. So we have a body mover, full body IK, nothing here in the IK retargeting because we are not doing retargeting. So body mover, missing the start bone. Start bone is thorax. In this case, it's gonna be base. Set bone on selected solver. Start bone base. Okay. It says missing goals. Body mover goal settings. We need a full body IK. with the root bone being base. On selected solver, base, okay. Okay, we have these two. Now we are missing the goals. Hey, how's it going? Just trying to understand IK in Unreal to see if I can make my this mech walk on over objects. Yeah, I'm doing great, thankfully. Just doing a lot of new experimental stuff today. Trying to learn this. Tricky questions. This, we have so many bones. New IK goal. Add new IK goal to the selected bone. I think we need to get the last bone, and it's gonna pick up the chain. No, I'm not very sure. But there's a very cool tool called Massive Worlds and Errant Landscapes. These are plugins that might help you build big environments, big landscapes and stuff. But I'm not really sure how these studios make their worlds. They might have their own tools and stuff. Okay, so okay, it's picking up. Nice. It's picking up all the other bones in the chain. Okay. So this, can we make it like a little bigger? Okay, it's not there yet. Let's add goals to each foot. These are going to be 10. Yeah, Gaia is great for terrains. Yeah, the ones I'm mentioning are plugins for Unreal Engine. Errand Landscapes is one of my favorites. You can like use brush stamps just to like modify the terrain super easily, super quickly. Massive Worlds also does something similar. Okay, well, now we have that. The body mover is missing goals, so we need to add the body body mover to the goal settings. To the I believe here. I believe we need to add it here. Okay, so I believe we need to click on this, connect goal with selected solver, maybe. Okay, cool, nice, that's how you do it. Okay, so you click on the yellow box and you connect goal with selected solver, connect goal with selected solver, connect goal with selected solver. Now it's looking pretty similar. Okay, that's kind of cool. The question is, if I move this thing, nice, it reacts very good. Let's see if we can get the similar result here. Hey, it works! Oh, nice. That's why we have these examples for, so you can follow the example. But not so easy yet, not so fast. We need to add this logic to the animation blueprint, which seems pretty simple, to be honest. And here we have the goals. Okay, let's try this out. So in the mesh animation blueprint, where should we add this thing? Ground locomotion, idle movement, mech walk. Okay, we here in the walking animation we want to add an IK rig. But the question is, this animation blueprint can we just add the IK rig here? Let's see. Or do I need to create a new animation blueprint based on this? IK rig. Oh, okay, rig definition, mech. Okay, that's nice. So this needs to go here. Okay, and then we need to add a couple things here. Foot offset. This variable, do we set it on the event graph? Yep. Let's try to get this going. Hey, how's it going? I'm doing trying to get my mech IK rig to walk over obstacles and stuff. So I'm doing a lot of stuff that I haven't done before. It's been a lot of experimentation these days. Cast to BP additive IK. Oh, okay, this is the blueprint that we need to cast to. In this case will be cast to AIRL mech. I think so. So yeah, I'm doing a lot of the and okay, we need foot offset inside the blueprint. It's just a vector. Let's see how it goes. Foot offset. It's just a get. Okay. Okay, that seems very similar to what we have here. Awesome. Okay. That's just the box moving around to test the IK. That's nothing important. Now back to the animation blueprint. Back to the animation blueprint. Where is the... This is what we need. IK rig. So inside the animation blueprint, animation blueprint, IK rig. I wanna get this looking exactly the same. Okay. Goals. Why I don't have any goals here? And how do we set those goals? Obviously not gonna work like that. Okay, we're getting close because I got it working here. Well, the question is how do we get the goals in here? Solver, start from reference pose each solve. I don't see that option here. No. That's the thing. How do I get that going? Let me Google this up. Expose position and expose rotation. Accessible in the animation blueprint. So we need to expose these variables. Makes a lot of sense. Expose position and rotation. There you go. So we're gonna expose this. Expose and expose. Expose and expose. And this should give us... Yes, we got them. Cool. Awesome. Do we need to expose the rotation? I don't think we need the rotation. No. Not really, no. IK is just translation. Yeah, no need for rotation. So let's get this for rotation off. Okay, maybe not like that. Maybe we need to go one by one. Just position. There you go. Okay. We are almost there. I think let me get this IK rig again. So we don't get that red text, which is just the rotation that I took off. Okay, and this one goes to the green values, yellow values, which are 4 legs. Nice. Okay, it's almost the same. It's almost the same. What else we need? It seems that we have everything for this to work. I mean, it cannot be that simple. Let's push this mech into some rough terrain and see. If it actually works. Oh, the camera is zooming in again. Oh my god. Yeah, and obviously it's not going to work. We are still missing stuff. Do I need to create this animation blueprint based on that? No, you can only create it based on a skeleton. Yeah, that makes more sense. Preview mode additive. Oh, it's not exposing position here. Oh, that's strange. Let me copy the settings, which I'm not sure this is gonna do much. Okay, yeah, everything else seems to be the same. It's working here, which is super cool. But it's not working on the game. Not working on the game. I don't know why this is, mine is gray and this is not gray. That's strange. Mine is looks gray, and here both are lit. Maybe this is plugged in the wrong place. This one is not playing. Post link structure. What is? Oh, it's just a node to. Okay. It's probably the way my animation blueprint is set up. Most likely. Idle state. Is based on velocity. Maybe this is messing up with it. Idle state. Also, I want the IK to work on the idle animation. Can we get it to just also work in the idle? Okay. It's not gonna play the character movement until it gets velocity. Yeah, to be honest, kind of hard to know what's going on. Oh my god, the camera. No, it's not. Okay, there's something else that might be causing the problem. There might be something else. Okay. This logic, it's supposed to be here. I don't know. This variable is named differently here. maybe maybe I can just test it exactly the same. Is it related to that? I don't think so. I mean, maybe if we test it like that. Mm, yeah, I'm starting to believe there's other things. Messing up with this. This is the same thing. And for some reason it's not. Can we just... Let's see if I go direct here. How can I test this without breaking this thing? No, I mean, it should work for the idle as well. No, I think... we are missing some logic. It needs to trace to the floor. We're missing the tracing logic. Yeah, we're missing the tracing logic, and that logic I can get from can get that logic from this tutorial, and also the, oh my god, so many ads, and from the give me a second. Oh.
Morte cirurgista.
Tá, Sara, sei tu. My foot just got totally numb. Okay. So where's, let's see if we can get this logic from. That's not a pretty good way to test the RK. Oops. There you go. Okay. So, let's see the third person character. I think I'm gonna do it. Jesus. Okay, so we have the control rig for the other thing. We might just do it like this. Yeah, I think this is an little bit oversimplified version. Okay, I think I might just be able to add the just a third person. And I hope it's not gonna override anything. Okay. Oh, processing source file changes. Hey, how's it going? Just trying to get a IK working on a Mac. Let's see. So inside this logic here, this is what I need for the IK to work. And I think we just need to change the bone names. Yeah, this is definitely new stuff for me as well. Okay. Let's try to use this thing. We have it here. Main states, output, might not be here, might be on the main state. Ground locomotion. Let's test it here. Okay, first we need to get the mech control rig. Then inside the control rig, okay, no, this is a control rig just for the foot IK. This control rig is for animation. So let's see if we can do something similar. Yeah. Not first time I do this thing, so let's see. Content control rig. Let's make a copy and let's call this IK. And that's the one that we're gonna use. Mech IK. Inside this mech IK, we're gonna copy this logic. Oh, okay. We need a bunch of functions. Let's start with this one. Well, actually not that much. Probably all of this is what is already on the Mac. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff in there that we probably not gonna use. So the root bone Why is it not showing me the bones? Okay. Okay. That was strange. Yeah, I'm trying to make this four-legged mech step over obstacles and stuff. So we need an IK solver so it can like step over stuff, and I'm trying to add other skeletons besides just the humanoid. And we need this bunch of variables. And that's part of this thing here. Okay, let's try to get those there. Funny thing we need to add. Two more legs, so 4 more variables. Pelvis in this case is gonna be base. Boolean. Okay. So let's call this front. Funny, it's giving me double dash. this keyboard, I think it's needs to be replaced. And then we're gonna copy all of that. Well, I guess one by one. And we're gonna call it back. Well, I don't think this is just I'm trying to get an IK to work with this mech. It's gonna be difficult, to be honest. Never done this with the control rig. And we just start copying this stuff. This is the IK foot L. The question is, is it using any? I don't see any solvers here. That's the these are virtual bones. Okay. Set C offset, L target, a right target. Okay. We need to set this. IK foot L. This is gonna be foot front L. Then we go into C offset L target. C offset L target front. Oh wait. C offset L front back. What? No. Just target back, targets from. We need the target. We have two fronts. Target. Okay, so this is offset L target. Offset L target. Front. L target set, and the value comes from here. That's a strange connection. Never seen that. Just like that. No. Where does that connection come from? What? Oh, from C. Oh, okay. Who? I was like, what the hell? It comes from C. So yeah, C offset, okay, makes sense. Never seen that pin before. And here we go, execute C. Let's just leave it opened. Boop. And then we go from C to execute on set offset R target. Target R front, set C execute. This is left front foot. This is gonna be right front foot. Okay. Okay. I still believe that I need to make the virtual bones, because this is gonna probably mess the other animations. That's why they use a virtual bone. So okay, we got that going. Hey, I'm trying to make an IK for my 4-leg mech. So I'm trying to learn this stuff. It's gonna be complicated because we have 4 legs, so I will need to probably repeat this process with the other 2 legs. Not sure. No, I'm a 3D generalist, and I'm just trying to figure this out for a personal project that I'm working on. So get set offset. Okay, let's try to follow this. Get C offset L target. Get C offset L target front. Yeah, let's just do the front legs for now. Target front. Set offset L. Set offset L. Get C offset R target. Get offset R target front. Yeah, what I want is so the character can step on even terrain. So it's gonna trace where the floor is, and it's gonna properly step on the floor, which seems like the most simple thing in the world, but it's probably very simple once you do it one time. There are multiple ways to do this. But I want to see if I can make it work using this method. So set offset R, set offset R. Okay, I believe it goes like that. Set offset L, set offset R, get R target. Oh, I got this one wrong. It's the target. This is target R. Target R. That makes sense, yeah. Oop. Then it goes into get target L, R, offset, set offset L, R. Now get C offset. And it's the same thing, but no, it's the same thing. Gets offset LR, okay. Just need to make sure that I'm getting LR offset, okay. And then it goes into set offset pelvis. Okay, it's looking pretty similar. So what I will need to do is repeat this process for the other legs and repeat this process for the back legs. Okay, so here get offset L and R and get pelvis. LR get pelvis into C. Now the bones are named differently, so so let me double check. These are the same, and foot front are right there. And we don't have a pelvis here, but we are gonna use the base, which is kind of like the pelvis of this mech. Okay. Okay, we are getting a little bit closer. So IK foot L. IK foot R. Front L, foot R, front R. Double check. L, R. Okay. And I think that's it. I don't think it's gonna work, to be super honest. Slot default slot. This is coming from main states, control rig, and it should be doing this while not falling. Boolean, and how do we add inputs to this node? Oh, right here. Input output. Input. Use pin. Cool, we have it there. And output is right there. And then we're gonna drop get not. That's not how you get. How do you get this node? Not boolean. It's not falling, so as long as the mech is not in the air, it should trace the IK. And there's probably something I'm missing. And he's gonna only do it for the front legs though. it's kind of funny, but let's see if it actually works. I'm gonna give it a quick check. That's the condition, should not trace. True. Oh, the virtual bones, that might also cause issues. So L target, right target. L target, L target, right target, right target. Okay, it's connected only to C because it's just gonna check for the floor. Yeah, check for the floor, check for the floor. Then we get a L target, get, oh, I got it wrong right there. It's not R, it's L. Front, and it's the target. L front target. L target, L front target, set L offset, L offset, right target, right target, set C offset, set offset R, set offset R, get LR offset, wait, I'm checking the other way around. L offset, R offset. Set offset pelvis. Okay, cool. No, it's not so much, but it gets very confusing when you have more legs. Get C offset L front. Get C offset L. Let's check this way. So offset L R pelvis, L R pelvis, all into C value. Perfect. Okay, whatever. And here we have this stuff here, which is just foot L and R, We have this root set up here. There you go. I haven't this is not set properly. So this goes like this, like that, and this goes base. Boom. Okay. I think now it should be set. I think so. I think that is. It's gonna be very funny because it's not gonna work most likely. And yeah, let's test it out. It's gonna just, if it works, it's only gonna work on the front two legs, which is kind of funny. And it's not working. Is it because the virtual bones? Probably. I appreciate it. Yeah. No, it's not working. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, well. There are several reasons that might be causing the problem. Here we have locomotion, main states, land, to land. Okay, so just this is different. That might be causing the problem, but the thing that I believe that is causing the problem is the bones that we are referencing are virtual bones here. So we need to create virtual bones and before that let me test something else. This boolean is not gonna work because it's not part of the animation blueprint. We have no logic for this, so should trace. Yes, just trace all the time. Let's bypass that thing. Main states. land to locomotion. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna be a problem. Fall loop to falling, jumping. We are not doing that. It just goes entry to locomotion. So this is referenced inside the main states, and I'm just pulling directly from group default group. I'm not sure what this does, but I'm pulling directly from here, which I don't think is gonna be a big deal. So ground locomotion is just a name. We have idle movement, and here we have idle walk run, so kind of like the same thing. So I don't think that's the problem. Okay, let's we mine it. Hey, I'm learning how to do IK, so the character can walk on even ground and stuff. It's been a it's been such a journey just to get this going. I saw no, I don't think it's tracing against. No, I don't think it's working. Next thing I can try is to do the virtual bones, which I'm not sure if we do need that. It kind of makes sense to have a virtual bone for this. I see the legs kind of like trying to kind of like go down. So there might be something going on. Might be just the capsule component. Yeah, no, I think it's not. I think it's not doing it. Oh, okay. So we have the virtual bone. Idea. That's one possibility. Can we actually see the traces? That would be very cool if we can debug and see if we can actually, if we are actually tracing. So we are using this thing to trace. Trace channel visibility. Wow, I totally forgot how to do this. But this node is different. I cannot really draw the traces here. Maybe there's a way. There's a way to do that. Okay, there's a command that we might be able to use. Oh my god, this is zooming in again. So virtual bones, I think that might be no. It's not gonna show. It seems like we don't need virtual bones for this to work. Okay, this is not gonna work because these bones are not set correctly. This one says root, and this says animation root. I wanna check what bone is that. I don't see. I don't see that bone. It might be something different. Type bone, and this says no type. No name. So I think this one is set good, but this one is not root, it's gonna be base. Okay. Oh. That might be the issue. Oh, damn it. I'm kind of like starting to think that this might not work on only 2 legs. We might need to do all the legs for this to work. That also kind of makes sense. Damn. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's see if we can do the other feed. Yeah, this is it's gonna be complex. um, so basically I need to do the same thing here. For the back L, back right, and this one needs to be, instead of L target front, L target back. Set offset R front back. Oh wait. Oh wait. This is probably not set up properly. L target, R target. Yep, that's another mistake. This should be front right front, so we found another mistake. And this should be L back, right back. Okay, that one is good. This is not gonna be front. That's gonna be back. Okay. And the bones are going to be back left. Back left, back right. Okay. I don't know how this works with 4 legs. Okay, so we're gonna set a get target and set offset. Oh wait, stats making everything super confusing. Now, target front, offset front, target back, offset back. That makes way more sense. Set offset R target front. Set offset R target front. This is back. Haracha. Okay, do. Okay, I gotta go to. Need to go have some dinner. Set offset L front, offset R target front. So target back. L front, L back, target right target front, right target back. Okay, I believe. That makes a little bit more sense. Target front, L target back to value. offset L back, L front, L right. Okay, that way we do the rest of the legs. And then we need to figure out this one. Oh my god, I don't know how this one goes. I guess we're just gonna copy this. But do it with these. C offset back. Like that. A, B. The same here. Just make sure that I don't need to set any bones in those nodes. Okay. So this is not gonna be front. It's gonna be back. Pelvis is okay. And we need to set the bones to be foot L back, foot right back, pelvis is pelvis, which is gonna be set to base. Okay, and the last one is just gonna be this thing again. But the name of the bones is going to be left back, right back. As well as in here. And that's it for all the legs. So I think there might be something in the animation blueprint that I'm missing, but I think this is pretty much the same logic. That is being used in the Mani. Oh, this mouse, it's it's pretty bad. I'm gonna go get myself a new mouse tomorrow. Um, okay, we are bypassing this thing. Oh, I totally forgot to disconnect that one. Might be the problem, but probably there's something else going on. I think here is the issue right here in the animation blueprint, because I think we got the rest of the settings pretty much set. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go have some food. That's how it gets sometimes. That's how it goes. Oh, nice. There's a new dialogue on Master Quest integration. That's kind of cool. Definitely want to check that out. Oh my god, no, I thought I thought it was working, but it's not. Fuck. Well, we tried. It's okay. Maybe we will figure this out tomorrow. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.